All right, and good morning, everyone. My name is Michael Neely. Welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where I talk about foreign exchange trading, and the like, and trading in general. First, let's get into the risk disclaimer screen. First, this channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I'm a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration. Forex trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose, like I do. Okay, now the CFTC risk disclosure goes something like this. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before trading, consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. So let's go straight into what's going on today. First, I might be joined by Henry, the Forex trading parakeet. First, this is today's. Look at all this news coming out. We have at 8:15, we've got the ADP non-farm employment change, which is kind of a precursor to NFPs. Advanced GDP, this is a big one. Advanced GDP, Bank of Atlanta, probably not Bank of Atlanta, but the federal bank in Atlanta Federal Reserve Bank, upgraded their GDP estimates to 2.9%, even though they're still calling for 2.5. So that might be an interesting change to see if that takes place. And then this, if you're trading the loonie, the Canadian market is going to be affected by the BOC rate statement, followed by the FOMC statement and the federal rate statement. So there's a whole bunch of red folders open today. So that will be moving the markets. But right now, we got nothing. It's not really going anywhere. Even the tsunami that hit Russia, and the earthquake that hit Russia and the tsunami did not really affect the Japanese markets, as the Japanese, I don't think, experienced a bunch of problems. Indicated by this, they did not. It's holding 148 very nicely. I kind of expected to springboard off of that, but I'm not interested enough to get into a trade because it's got all this giant resistance right above it. This area of selling. By Smart Money Concepts right above it. Let's see. What's going on the Euro stage of things. EURUSD. Oh, no. USD. And here we go. We have the Euro, and it is again doing about the same thing. Might break this support line a little bit later. I'm not really interested in getting into a trade on that because with all this the heavy news coming out today, while I'm not in the office, I'm not going to be able to respond to any negative conditions, and a 75 pip stop loss is a little bit much. Although now, and I'm also running out of time because I've got to get to my day job. Let me see. So not a whole lot of incentive there to trade. If I were to trade, I would get into about a 115.12. And expect it to break that with a 75 pip stop loss. 75 pips on that would be around 60, which it could substantially weather that. Might want to go with, oh, no, it wouldn't. 75 to 115.12. Yeah, that is true. It's an 85 pip stop loss right there. So this is probably what I would do with that. Henry's joined me now. Let's see. See what's going on with gold real quick. And here we are. We have gold kind of perking up a little bit. But again, not a whole lot to trade there. It's just kind of going up against this new trend line. It'll be interesting to see if this trend line turns into a resistance trend line. This is a form of daily support trend line. If that turns into a resistance trend line, then we could look for some downside on gold. And then on silver, it'll be a very, very short one today because I'm running late. Right here. Ooh, silver's broke its support trend line. How about that? So the daily support trend line for silver has been broken. It's at 37.84. Probably look to some more downside on that. Probably down to 36.47. So we're running there. So if you're into options or trading silver, then that might be an option for you to do is short silver. But that's what I see going on right now. I will not have any trades going in because I am running late, and it takes me about 5 minutes to set my trades up. So that's about all I've got. I want to take a quick look at bond yields. Bond yields, they're all coming down. Look at that. All across the board except for the Japanese 30, which is very interesting to me, that all the bond yields are coming down. It means inflation is theoretically coming down. We don't see the 30-year or the U.S. 30 years going down, but we're still not going to get mortgage yields under 6% for a while because everybody's got to make money on that, I guess. So that's what we've got going on. Again, something else about the silver thing I just now noticed is that silver's in this great big area of buying. So we probably wouldn't get into a silver trade until 37.44, somewhere in that neighborhood. So with that in mind, you guys have a good one. I'm going to get out of here. Again, my name is Michael Neely, and this is NeelyFX. Talk to you later. Bye.